If you're tired of soggy reheated burritos, don't worry. There are several methods you can use to reheat your burrito and make it taste as fresh and delicious as when you first got it. If you're using a microwave, place your burrito on a microwave safe plate, remove any foil, and heat it for 2 minutes on medium. Keep heating it for 1 minute at a time, checking at subsequent intervals until it's heated through. For oven reheating, preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, wrap the burrito in foil, and bake it for 30 minutes. Check the temperature of the filling and continue baking until it's totally reheated. To reheat on a stovetop, heat a few drops of oil in a skillet, add the burrito, and turn the heat to medium. Cover your pan with a lid to trap heat and help the burrito cook evenly, letting it crisp up for 5 minutes on each side. If you have an air fryer, preheat it to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, remove any foil, and heat the burrito for about 15 minutes or until the tortilla starts turning golden brown. Finally, if you prefer using a toaster oven, preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, wrap the burrito in foil, toast it on high for 8 to 12 minutes, and remove the foil for a few more minutes of toasting to achieve a delicious crispy texture. Remember to remove any wet or heat-sensitive ingredients like guacamole, sour cream, or lettuce before reheating your burrito, and add them back in later so they can stay cold and crunchy as intended. Enjoy your delicious reheated burrito.